How to switch between multiple Instagram accounts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can switch between multiple Instagram accounts. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. To switch between multiple accounts, make sure that the app that you have is up to date to the latest version. For that, go to your Google Play Store, search for Insta, and if you see an update button for Instagram, tap on update and update the app. After the app's been updated, you can then open up the app and log in into multiple accounts. So if you don't know how to log in into multiple accounts, long press on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap on add Instagram account and follow the process. Now switching is also that simple. If you long press on your profile icon at the bottom right, you'll find multiple accounts that you've logged in into. Simply select the account that you want to switch and you'll be switched to that very account. Another easier and quicker way is by double tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right and you'll be switched into another account. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you can switch between multiple accounts on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.